Welcome to the Finance Club DMS RIT. I am Samruddhi Suresh Bhamaje. In a previous blog, we have seen the meaning of fundamental analysis. In today's blog, we will see the meaning of technical analysis. We have seen that we are going through a deep analysis of a company to invest for the long term, which includes business model and company performance. But in technical analysis, we are trying to understand long-term and short-term trend of investments in that company, which will give us a brief about short-term and long-term sentiments of the market. Technical analysis includes chart reading with different forecasting methods developed by trading terminals, in which we use weighted moving average, VWAP, RSI means relative strength index, volume, etc. All these are the live market indicators, but these indicators are lagging indicators because they show the effect after the scenario, so we can predict the momentum for the short term based upon live market sentiment indicators. If we observe these indicators in the different time frames, we can see the difference or the similarity in the long term and short term trend. In the technical analysis, we can consider different candlesticks patterns occurred on the chart, and we can able to relate this pattern with the sentiments which include hammer patterns, hanging man or morning star, etc. with the color of bull and bear. To maintain accuracy in the technical analysis, we have to choose a different combination of indicators as per our understanding, but the probability of winning trade will always depend upon trading psychology. In the upcoming series, we will discuss more different aspects of fundamentals and technical analysis. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe. Thank you.